Today, as you can see, I'm a trichomonous. My body reveals that I'm asymmetrical. Like other protists in my supergroup, which is excavita, another organism in my supergroup is Giardia. Another important point about that would be the fact that I'm a feeding group that is excavated from one side. As I have a feeding group, it will be important to know if I'm an autotroph or a heterotroph. Well, I'm a heterotroph, meaning I ingest organic compounds in order to produce energy. But I'm an anaerobic, meaning I do not need oxygen to survive. I have an almost pear shape with an undulating membrane. I have as tough of 4 flagella anteriorly and 1 posterior flagellum called an axostyle. Thus my movement is described as twitching. Let's sketch the following imagery to memorize its transmission and symptoms once and for all. Imagine you're in a metro station. On your right, there's a couple kissing. The disease is sexually transmitted. The transmission occurs by skin-to-skin contact between partners. Since the parasite is flagellated, it is able to swim into the female vagina and settle there. I'm able to survive by feeding on good bacteria. As I mentioned earlier, I'm a heterotroph. Changing the types of bacteria present changes the pH. One interesting fact about me is that I have a DNA very similar to the DNA in the vaginal tract. This suggests horizontal transfer between the two domains. On your left there is a magician pulling a strawberry from a hat shaped like cervix of a female. The primary symptom is a strawberry cervix. In front of you, there's a fire and a homeless lady beside it. The other symptoms are burning and itching of sensitive areas. However, 70% of the individuals have no symptoms even when infected with trichomonas vaginalis. And of course, there's a metro. Thus, the treatment is a course of metronidazole, which is an antifungal medication, and hence both partners should be treated. Thanks for listening.